know what's in that cradle?
What will happen if robots start to fight back with human?
I wouldn't call it a comfort.
We see robot fighting in the movies that robot want to rule the world or fight with human beings. Robots destroy the people and lives and want to occupy the earth. This is a very real possibility. It is not possibility, it's just what's actually going to happen.
I should have vaporized you when I had the chance.
Termination authorized.
Human in danger! Human in danger! Human!
Please return to your home. A curfew is in effect. Please return to your homes. A curfew is in effect. Weapon being hazardous. Return to your homes immediately. Return to your homes or you will be consequences.
Recently a video went up viral over the weekend on the Quarter YouTube channel showing a robot that fights back after suffering through some rather mean, and even violent, tests by a Boston Dynamic team, which parodies the robotics company Boston Dynamics. We all know about Boston Dynamics' Atlas robot, the world's most dynamic humanoid. Atlas is the latest in a line of advanced humanoid robots. Atlas' ability to balance while performing tasks allows it to work in a large volume while occupying only a small footprint. The Boston Dynamics robot is shoved, beaten down with a folding chair, has boxes thrown at its head, gets hit by a hockey stick, and even shot by the fake testers. You can't help but feel for the robot, a mass of gears and machinery that makes endearing mechanical noises and moves in a nearly human way. Then the robot seemingly has enough and starts to retaliate. At one point, the robot even holds its testers hostage with the very gun that was used to shoot it. When the robot fights back, you might not know whether to cheer and laugh for it, or feel slightly terrified that robots could deviate from their programming, become sentient, and fight back.